Hi there, Tom and Katrina. Today's Thursday, June 19th. Just wanted to show you where our bees are. This is our backyard. Got a little hummingbird feeder here. See, I got a lot of bushes to trim and everything. Got our barbecue, little patio and everything. And over here we have our Santa Rosa plum, a cherry tree, and a pear tree. I'll just walk out here between the plum and the cherry, and you'll see where our beehives are. Got a little garden back here. Anyway, here we go. I'll just zoom in a little bit. On warm days, the bees, they form a beard around the hive, and the instinctive reason for that is to fan air into the hive, to cool the hive and to evaporate moisture from the nectar to convert into honey. So that's where we got our hives. I'll be sending you a link about how we install bees in the hive. See you later.